What's up, guys? John here from Titan. Today I want to discuss another common question that I get out about and by patients all the time. Now, I'm down here in Florida, especially summertime. We're going to the beach, we're going to the pool, right? So I'm definitely got my shirt off. Now, most common question a lot of guys ask me is, John, how do I get abs? How do I get the six-pack, right? Now, I'm training all hard, I'm doing all these different things, I just can't get it. Maybe I just was genetically not engineered to get this. Right? And so when we talk about getting a six-pack or abs, most people say abs are made in the kitchen. Now, I can agree with that and I can disagree with that. And that's just my opinion. Everybody's got opinions. So you can have yours after you see the video. Just hear me out. So when we talk about this, abs are made in the kitchen. I totally agree. You need a good nutritional plan. Why? Because you got to get lean enough for that muscle to pop out and to show. If you don't get lean enough, you're not going to be able to show abs. You're going to have stuff over it, whether it's fat, okay, and that's kind of what it is, and you have to get that off. Now, there's a whole bunch of different ways you can get that off, but that's one of the main things. Now, when you do that, you're on your way, but that's only 50% of it. That's why I say, yeah, they are made in the kitchen, but they're really not. The reason is this. Abs are muscles just like any other muscles on your body. So at that point, you have to work them out. You have to break them down, and at that point, they'll build that stronger, better, and protrude out even more, right? You can flex your abs on people. But if you notice, there are a lot of skinny people out there, a lot of lean people, but they don't have abs. It's because they haven't worked out the muscle in their abdominal area to really protrude those abs out. They can have it nice, tight, it looks all good. Even big men out there, there's strong men out there, right? And their stomachs are a little bit bigger, okay? But if you touch their stomachs, most of those guys, it's like a brick wall. It's so hard and strong. You're like, man, this guy should have abs, right? Wrong. Because at that point, they're not lean enough to protrude those abs out. That's why you want to make sure you work out your abs, and you can do this every day. Abs and calves are the unique muscles where you can train them every day and still be able to get good progress. Like, unlike other muscles, like your chest or back, where you really give a strenuous workout, you want to give yourself at least a day's rest to recover for those muscle fibers to repair themselves and to build back stronger and better. So with this, make sure your nutrition plan is on point. And along with the nutrition plan, you got to make sure you're exercising properly. Okay, so you're making sure that you're doing ab work at least once a week. Some people say you never have to work out abs to get abs. Well, some of those people might be genetically gifted, or they're flexing or using secondary muscles as abs, right? So with this, you want to make sure that you're doing at least 30 minutes every week, one session a week. Now, like I said, abs you can work out every single day. So what I would do is incorporate at least one exercise every single day, whether it's at your house and by yourself, you're watching TV, or you're in the gym and you're in between sets. Superset in abs, right? Work them out. It's the best thing you could possibly do. And if you really want them, you got to be consistent about what you're doing. So you have to exercise consistently, and you have to make sure you're on your nutrition plan so you can get lean enough so those muscles that you're building up will start showing through and you get more definition out of them. This is how you get abs. So guys, be consistent. And if you need help getting some weight loss or get leaner or building more muscle or better recovery, because that's really what it's about, you guys can contact us here at Titan Medical Center. Call or text 727-389-3220. Stay tuned to more Titan tips, because I'm going to give you guys great information that will help you guys look better, feel better, and perform better every single day. See you guys.